Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reviewing this ozone machine, ozone generator made by Manfh. You can get it on Amazon. And this thing looks pretty awesome. Comes with these nice little hang tags for doors. You're not supposed to use this when people are around. So it even says on the bottom here, caution using unoccupied space. It's got a little timer on there so you can run it for different amounts of time. And it comes with a little instruction manual on which time limits for which kind of space. So 3,000 square feet, run it for 120 minutes. For 6,000 square feet, they say put it on hold there. So you can run it continuously with the hold option there. Again, this cleans up to 6,000 square feet. It's got a massive 55,000 mgh output, so it doesn't just mask the smell. So ozone machines, they actually oxidize the molecules to make it smell better. This is like what car dealerships and hotels use if someone like smokes in the car or smokes in the hotel room. Obviously, they can't just throw away the whole hotel. They use one of these machines to get it smelling better. I got one of these machines because my car has kind of a funky smell in it. Went on a trip recently with the kids. They're very messy. I haven't cleaned the car in a while. So I'm going to run this on the inside of my truck. We'll come back. We'll see if it smells better. Again, they're advertising this thing as being real silent, only 30 decibels. And it looks like a pretty awesome product, guys. Again, I'll put a link down below where you guys can check them out. This is the GN PC20S. Let's go put this in my car. We'll do a before and after, okay? All right, guys, so I got it set up in my car. I set it for 15 minutes because my car is in a very big space. But you can see it through the window there. It's got the light on. It's oxidizing the molecules. You can see that little purple light in the back there too. So I'll come back here and check in a minute. About 15 minutes. We'll see how the car smells at that time. Okay, guys, we're back. Again, it's going to smell like ozone in there, so I'm going to let it air out for a while, open it up. It's got like a chlorine smell to it. It can irritate your mucous membrane, so you don't want to do that. So always do it in an unoccupied space, okay? We're in the car now. There you go. You can see it's turned off. There's no light on there. I can definitely smell that chlorine smell, so we'll just take it out. We'll come back here tomorrow, and we'll see how it smells. All right, guys, it's the next day. Car smells great. Got some cleaning up to do still from the recent trip. We're real happy with how this worked out. Doesn't smell like that chlorine smell that was initially here has gone away. Here's that unit again down here. I still have it out from yesterday. Worked really well. Got the car smelling nice. Again, looks like a really nice unit. There's lots of different ones you can choose from on Amazon, but I really like this one. I'll put links down below where you can check it out. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. Again, I'll put links below where you can buy them. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.